Greetings, my name is Elisha and today I'm going to show you how to program lights using your circuit playground.
Okay, so first we're going to start with the new project. Each screen starts with the forever loop. The forever loop is in the gray workspace. In the middle is the column with various code blocks, and then to the left is our virtual interface. With the virtual interface, we can test our codes as soon as we create it to make sure it's right without having to physically upload it to the circuit playground, which is really cool and a good time saver. Okay, so we are going to program the circuit board to light the left-hand side up when we press the button A. In order to do this, we will need to go into loops and find the while loop. We'll drag the while loop to our forever function, and then we want to make sure that we change this true factor to the A button. So in order to do this, we'll go back to input and we're gonna select when the button A is pressed. So this factor will be true. In lights, we're gonna select the show ring command, and then using the color wheel, we can change the left-hand side to whatever our favorite color is. So for me, it's purple, so I'm gonna change it to purple on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side, I'm gonna change it to clear. Now, once I go back to my virtual interface and I press A, it lights up purple. Now, as you see, the light is still on. If we want to change it so that the light goes on and off, we can go back into lights, go down to clear, we'll add clear to our code, and now once you press A, the lights go on and off. We can duplicate this code so that the right hand side lights up a different color while pressing B. So in order to do this, we'll click on WOW and we'll click duplicate to duplicate the code. We'll drag the code down, and then we're going to change this function. Instead of when pressing the button A, we're going to change it to the button B, and then we're going to go back down to our color wheel and we're going to make the purple side clear, and we are going to make the right hand side whatever color you like. I'm going to choose green. So now when I go back to our virtual interface, if I press A, it'll light up purple, and when I press B, it'll light up green. Now, if you really want to get fancy, we can go and we can add a shake feature. Now doing this, you'll go to input, you'll add on shake, and then let's put in a rainbow pattern. If you go back to lights, we'll go to this show animation, we'll add it here, and then let's change it to 2 seconds. And now let's try it out on our virtual interface. If we press shake, you'll see a rainbow pattern. Now we can also add music too, just for a special touch. Let's add the play music here, and let's change it to a magic wand. So if you go back to your virtual interface and you press shake, voila, there you have it. Now that you have lights and music, let's click download and check it out with our circuit playground. So now with our physical playground circuit, if we press the A button, our left-hand side will light up purple. And if we press the B button, our right-hand side will light up green. And if we give it a shake, we'll see a rainbow pattern and a nice little sound. And there you have it. This is how you add lights to your circuit playground.